Hello guys, and welcome back to Case and Funville. I got these new things, copy twins or 2D things. So yeah, so they're called Tangle Toys or whatever. So yeah, so you can make them big or little. But now I'm doing them big. I'll show you the little ones in a bit once I get the thing done. So let's get on with the video. So I guess this is how long it goes. And I'll shorten it out and see how short it goes. I got these for my birthday. Yeah, I have more, but they're in my mom's thing. And this is how short it goes. Yeah, you can twist them with these. This. Twist these. I'm having fun. Oh, okay, bye guys, and remember to like, subscribe, and comment down below. But before I get done with the video, I'm gonna do this. Okay, bye guys, and remember to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Bye.